welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I custom colored my wig powder blue, and here I have me a 613 wig, of course, and it is 26 inches. We are just going to go ahead and get right into it. So we will be doing the water dye method. You can fill up a bowl or container with water, and again we are going to be using powder blue dye, and you're going to go ahead and make sure you squeeze it into the water. Squeeze as much as you want, it doesn't really matter. And then also make sure you do thoroughly mix the dye into the water.
On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave.
So now you're going to go ahead and take your 613 wig and dip it inside of the dye of water.
Purple paint, pink, push a P, 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 yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Pop a P, a paranoid.
So here you're going to apply more dye to the water, being that the wig does needs to be redipped. And again, you are going to make sure you thoroughly mix the dye in the water, and then you can reapply the wig after.
Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. Push a P. I'ma P you out your endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally tussling. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. Push a P. Push a P.
So you can see the dye did take most of the wig, but except the middle, it's like a silverish color. So I did go ahead and take it and re-dip it back into the dye of water, particularly to get that specific spot so that the dye can mostly take in that area.
Yeah, push a P, turn me up. Turn me up, P.
And so here I am opening up the wig once more again so we can get rid of like the silvery color, and we are going to be applying more dye to the water, and then we are going to re-dip the wig again.
Now we plot inside the peas. She not a lesbian, P, she turned lesbian. Push a P, push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push a P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P. Private suite, privacy, jump push a P. Purple paint, pink, push a P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Pop a P, a paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P.
So here I'm just showing you guys how the wig came out after water dyeing it. I do believe we did dip it into the water about a good 3 times, but the wig did take the dye pretty well.
Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's.
So here's how the wig looks when it's semi-dry, and so I did let the wig air dry, and now we're going to go into styling the wig. So I am applying heat protectant to the hair. You're going to make sure you thoroughly just rub that through the hair, and then make sure you do comb or brush it in. Afterwards we will be flat ironing the hair.
In the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. Push a P, push a P, push a P,
Push a P,
push a P, P,
push a P,
push a P,
push a P,
push a P,
yeah. Push P. Yeah, push a P, turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at cross spot. Check for peas. Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas. She not a lesbian, P, she turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push a P. Portuguese on her knees, my.
We are going to be styling this wig into a side part, so here I did go into pretty much making my part for the wig.
Purple paint, pink, push a P, 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 Yeah. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Yeah. Pop a P. I'm paranoid. I can't sleep. My pockets deep. Got rest on me. Why they watching me? I'm push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Yeah.
Touch it, okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push a P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push a P.
I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. I'ma P you out your endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply portion. I never saw ops, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I
did apply a little bit of mousse at the top of the wig, just for like any flyaways or any hair sticking up, just to finish off the part of the wig.
I'm push a P, P, push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P.
So here's pretty much how the wig came out, and you now have your powder blue lace frontal wig.
Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P.